Free estimate for Hayward Home Remodeling. We'll drive over to your house to give you a free estimate. If you approve, we will move forward with the project. Otherwise, it is absolutely fine and there are no conditions. Thinking about remodeling your home, but not sure where to begin? Look no further than the expert team at Construction Remodeling in the Bay Area. We provide free estimates for all of your remodeling needs, and you can rest assured that we'll get the job done right. Our process is simple and transparent. We believe in making our process as simple and transparent as possible. All you need to do is give us a call or contact us online, and we'll drive over to your house to take a look around and provide you with an estimate. If after hearing our estimate you decide that it's out of your budget or that it's not what you were looking for, then it's absolutely fine. There are no conditions attached. Our expertise includes all types of projects. Construction Remodeling in the Bay Area has years of experience in remodeling homes throughout Hayward and the surrounding areas. We are experts in kitchen renovations, bathroom makeovers, basement refinishing, room additions, deck construction, flooring installation, siding repair or replacement, window replacement services, and much more. If you can dream it up, we can build it. We utilize high-quality materials. When working on projects like yours, we only utilize high-quality materials. Whether it be wood siding or stone tile floors, we want your new renovation to last as long as possible. We will work with you every step of the way to ensure that the project meets your expectations without going over budget. Our goal is always to provide top-notch service at an affordable price so that everyone comes away happy with the end result. If you're looking for an experienced team who can help with all types of home remodeling projects in Hayward and beyond, then look no further than Construction Remodeling in the Bay Area. Contact us today for a free estimate and let us show you why so many homeowners have trusted us for their home renovation needs. With our expertise in high-quality materials combined with our commitment to providing excellent customer service at an affordable price, there's nothing stopping you from transforming your home into something truly special. Thanks for watching.